right, everyone, here we are with the Buck 285 BLW and the Buck 286 BHW. These knives are a great pair, his and hers, son and father, however you'd like to spin it. But they both come with the great lockback that Buck is known for, 420 high carbon steel blade. All of these come in a great stonewash finish with a thumb stud release for deployment. So that great smooth action that you're used to, two-handed closing. Now the belt clip on here is non-reversible or any kind of movable, so you get that just tip down carry most of the time. And the handles on these guys are going to be that GFN material that they use. As you can see here, we've got it in black and multiple other colorways, from the real tree camo to the mossy oak camo, and then the Cryptek camo, as well as this darker Cryptek. Looks pretty cool. I like it. These actually feel really good in the handle, in the hand, whether it's the bigger knife or the smaller. I find that still fits in my hand really well. I actually like this one a little bit better. This would be something I'd carry every day. Just a great utility knife. And then of course, for our hunters out there, in case you ever drop this, that orange just pops. You're not gonna lose that in the middle of the wilderness unless you're just doing things you're not supposed to be doing. But yeah, that little guy is just a great overall size. The finger choil in there is great. I love that full grip, or if I want to choke up a little bit and get my finger on there, that's a great blade style that I'm very fond of. So once again, guys, this is the 285 and 286 BLW and the BHW. Take a look at our website, serenityknives.com, for all of these guys and more.